Hello and welcome back to the new lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about how to create your Instagram business profile. So there is a difference between the personal profile and the business profile. In business profile, you get more options like analytics, targeting, reports, and so on, which you do not get in the personal account. So if you already have an Instagram account, you can just either skip it or just go through it very quickly. I'm sorry if we are talking about creating an Instagram and Facebook account, but try to understand that this course is for everybody. Not everybody has the social media pages, even don't understand. I've met a lot of real estate consultants, they don't even understand social media. So that is why we are covering the basics as well. If you are experienced in handling Instagram and Facebook, you are free to skip these lessons. Okay, so in this lesson, like I told you, we have to have the business account for Instagram. So in this lesson, we will create a new profile for Instagram. Okay, so let me grab my phone and then I'll walk you through the phone. So now we are on Instagram. At the bottom side, you have your profile picture. You press and hold it and it gives you another options. You click on add Instagram account and you have two more options: log into existing account or create a new one. We are creating a new one, giving a new name. Let's say State Gurus. Is it available? No. I'll select this one just for the reference purpose. And password. It will ask whether you want to add a phone number or an email. We'll add email here. Yeah, there seems to be some problem with the email sign up. So we tried with the phone. Sometimes it happens. So we have the code. It's detected. So now it is asking you to connect your Instagram with Facebook. We will skip it for the time. Follow friends, skip, and next. Of course, you allow. We need to add the profile picture. If it is your personal brand, you add your image, or if it's a company, you add your company with your photo or a logo, whatever you feel like. We'll skip it for the time. Randomly selected 5 people because that is mandatory. By default, any account on Instagram is a personal account, so we need to convert it into a business account. So we go to our profile, just click once and click on edit profile. Once we click on edit profile, now here it will ask switch to professional account. That's what we are looking for. Click on switch to professional account and just follow the screen instructions. And you are a blogger. Let's say, just for an example, but you need to select, let's say, if you have something in real estate. Yeah, real estate agent. I don't like this name, but yeah, that is what it is. So that's all. We select the category and click on done. And then now it is asking whether you are a business or a creator. Because we are a business, so we continue as business. Here it will ask for the business email. So because that will all be displayed on your profile. So it is very important to put your business email, your business address. Click on next. You can fill out all these details. They are very important. So now it is asking you to connect your Facebook account with your Instagram account once again. This is very important to run ads, do the promotion, do the posting. So you must connect your Facebook account with Instagram. Then you go through all these things once again. Just try to fill as much as you can. Complete your profile, get inspired, grow your audience, introduce yourself. So all these things you must do because they are very helpful in categorizing you in business category. I hope you got a few ideas. If you already have a business profile, then it's perfect. We just have to populate it with content. So that is all in this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.